Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love. Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Discuss the main topic of the chapter 1 and also the summary. So, let's start. So, the chapter 1, Exploring the Network. The globalization of the internet has succeeded faster than anyone could have imagined. This chapter introduced the platform of data networks upon which our social and business relationship increasingly depend. The material lays the groundwork for exploring the service technologies and issues encountered by network professionals as they design, build, and maintain the modern network. Next is the network in daily lives. Among all essentials for human existence, the need to interact with other rank just below our need to sustain life. In today's world, through the use of network, we are connected like never before. People with ideas can communicate instantly with others to make those ideas a reality. And the next is technology then and now. The technology then is not high tech, even had no internet but memorable. While from now, the world of full of technology, you can communicate to other by the use of technology. The next is network support the way we communicate. Um, this chapter is the globalization of the internet has ushered in new forms of communication that empower individuals to create information that can be accessed by a audience. The first is texting. Instant real-time communication between two or more people. The second is social media. Social media is share the user-generated content with friends, families, peers, and the world. The third is collaboration tools. The broad distribution of data networks means that people in remote locations can contribute on an equal basis with people in the heart of large population centers. The fourth is the blog. Blog is abbreviation of the word. Weblogs are web pages that are easy to update and edit. And next is the wikis. Wikis are web page that groups of people can edit and view together. And podcasting allow people to deliver their audio recordings to a wide audience. And the last is the peer-to-peer file sharing. This is allow people to share files with each other without having to store and download them from a central server. Next is um, network of many sizes. Before I discuss this, I want to say is the internet is used for traditional form of entertainment network enable the creation of new forms of entertainment such as online games, even offline games activities are enhanced using network collaboration services. Sports fans share opinions and talk about their favorite teams. Collection display prize collection and get expert feedback about them. I start to small home network. Small home network connect a few computer each other and the internet. Next is small office home office network. This is a network enables computer within a home office or a remote office to connect to corporate network or access centralized shared resources. Next is the medium-large network, such as those used by corporation and school, can have many locations with hundreds or thousands of interconnected computers. The last is the worldwide. This is the worldwide is the internet is a network of networks that connect hundred millions of computers worldwide. Um, Next page is client and server. Client is our computer with software installed that enable them to request and display the information obtained from the server. This is the client. The next one is the server. Servers are computer with software that enable them to provide information like email or web page to other end device or the network. Next is the overview of network components. The network infrastructure contains three categories of network components. The first one is the devices. Devices and media is same. Devices and media are the physical elements or hardware of the network. The services. Services include many of the common network application people use every day like email hosting services and web hosting services. Next is the network structure and components and devices. And devices is consists of PC, laptop, server, printer, phone, security cameras, and handheld devices. This is the end devices. Intermediary devices. The intermediary devices is router and switches are intermediary devices. So, before I turn in the network media, I discuss the router and the switches. Oh, I discuss the network media. Network media is a high-speed class copper or fiber connection, a general term for computer network larger than a local area network or based of Ethernet standard. The next is LAN. LAN is a local area network. LAN is located in a limited geographic area in a single building. The next is wireless LAN. A LAN in which the devices are connected wirelessly. The third is the MAN. Geographically separate LANs that are connected to the same enterprise. The fourth is the WAN. WAN is consists of a number of different types of facilities that are connected within the same geographic area. So before I turn this page, I'm gonna discuss the router and switches. Router and switches are both computer networking devices that allow one or more computer to be connected to other computer network devices or to other network. So that is the router and switches. And this is the network reliability. The first is scalable network. A network that can expand quickly to support new user and application without impacting the performance of the service being delivered to existing user. This is the scalable network. Next is the fault tolerance. Fault tolerance is the ability for a system to respond to unexpected failures or system crashes as the backup system immediately and automatically takes over with no loss and of service. And quality of service. Quality of service is a business class service that provides the same upload and download speed over telephone lines. The last is the security. Security is a weak or exposed password lost to stolen devices and malicious employees. So the next is okay. I'm done, guys. So thank you for listening. I hope you learned from my blog, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. So thank you. Bye bye.